Let us start the session. Hello, my dear students. I hope all of you are doing really well. Today, on demand from the students, I am here with the session on basic calculations in CSAT. So, many students, when I am interacting in the class, they are not giving me answer properly and they get confused. Sir, when to cancel out, when to multiply, this kind of questions they keep on asking me. So in today's session, that is CSAT basic calculations, I will be dealing with these four things. I found that students are not that much comfortable with these four things. One is sign rule, next is unit conversion, then how to deal with the fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication of the fractions, then cancellation, or I can say cutouts, how we can cancel out the terms. So I'm going to discuss these things. So let's straight away start with the concept. First is sign rule. Sign rule says that if we are adding or subtracting two things, my dear, 12 minus 8, answer will be 4. Now, when we are adding two numbers with the opposite sign, then basically we have to take their difference. Okay. So, now the sign with this number will be the sign of the larger of these two numbers. Got it? So 12 and 8, we are taking basically their difference, and now the sign of the positive number will be retained here. Now what will happen if I say minus 12 plus 8, minus 12 plus 8. Now in this case, this 12 is having negative sign. 12 is the bigger number, so bigger number is having a negative sign, so answer will be minus 4. Now you tell me, my dear, what will be the answer if I say minus 13 and minus 5? What will be the answer? Answer this: minus 30 minus 15, and then that's it. After this, what is the answer for this? Minus 13 minus 5. Very good, my dear. So both are negative. When both the numbers have same sign, we have to basically add them. So 13 plus 5, it is 18. Now both the numbers are having negative sign, so we will put a negative here, minus 18. This will be the answer. Fine. Okay, Uma, got it, my dear? Okay, beta, it will be minus 18. Now, what will happen when we are multiplying these numbers? When we are multiplying the numbers of the same sign, answer will be positive, and when we are multiplying two numbers with the different sign, then answer will be negative. Fine. So I can say a positive number, when multiplied with a positive number, answer will be positive. A negative number, when multiplied with negative number, then also answer will be positive, because I said when both the numbers are having same sign, positive positive, negative negative, whether you are multiplying them or dividing them, sign will remain same. Got it? Similarly, if the numbers are of opposite nature, negative number when multiplied with a positive number, you will get negative. Same will happen when we are dividing them. Division में भी same rule follow होगा बेटा. Okay, let us attempt some questions here. ठीक है? हाँ जी बेटा. 5 minus 8 into 3 minus 7. What will be the answer? First question. Second question, 20 minus 15 minus 18 plus 2 plus 7 minus 5. What will be the answer? Let us attempt these two. ये दोनों ट्राई करके देखते बेटा एक बार, जल्दी करें. First we have to solve the terms within the parenthesis, or I can say bracket के अंदर वाली values को हमें solve करना my dear. So 3 into minus 7, it is minus 4. So 5 minus 8 into this part will be how much? 3 into minus 7 is minus 4. Now minus 8 into minus 5, it will be plus. Negative multiplied with negative will be positive. So this will be 5 plus 8 into 4, that is 32. Now negative and negative will become positive. So 32 plus 5, answer will be 37. Answer will be 37. Got it, my dear? Oma. Now here, one thing you have to take care. Many students, what they do, 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Minus 3 into, here it is minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 4 is 12. Some of the student will give me answer 12. Oma, you have also given me the same answer, my dear. Okay. Now we have to take use a rule here, that is board mass. BODMAS. Board mass. Board mass, or you can say V board mass. V stands for vernacular, that we are not using here. B stands for bracket. First we have to solve the brackets, then solve off. Off means multiplication. Then we will go for division, then multiplication, then we have to solve addition, and then subtraction. I hope it is clear, my dear. Okay, beta. So board mass rule we have to use, or V board mass you can say. So don't go for 5 minus 8 straight away. First we have to solve this. Got it? Now I think you guys can answer the next question properly. First we have to solve these brackets. So this is 20 minus, what will be the value of this bracket? 15 minus 18. 15, or you can add the positive terms first. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 minus 18 is minus 1. Plus 7 minus 5 is 2. Now this 20 as it is. Minus minus when multiplied will become plus. Plus 1 plus 2. Answer will be 23. Tell me, my dear, is it clear or should I repeat? Uma. Bolo beta. Fine. Okay. Now this was the sign rule. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा. After sign rule, we are going for the conversions. So unit conversion, we may have to convert the distances, weights or volumes, time you can say. Fine. So first of all, let us see this table. This is the unit. Suppose I am talking about the distance. Suppose my distance is meters. Distance is in meters. Now when we are going here on the right hand side, the values will keep on dividing by 10, and when we are coming on the left hand side, then it will get multiplied by 10. Okay my dear? Suppose I am measuring the distances. Here this distance is a meter. So what will happen with the decimeter my dear? So first of all write these terms: milli, centi, deci, unit, deca, hecto and kilo. Kilo means a combination of 1000. Okay, so if it is meter, then this is 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer, can I say my dear, 1 kilometer means 1000 meter? 1 hectometer is 100 meter. 1 decameter is 10 meter. This is meter. 1 decimeter means, 1 decimeter क्या होगा बेटा? 1 decimeter. हाँ जी, भाग्या, उमा, अशरफ, बोलो बेटा 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter. When we are going on this side, then we have to keep on dividing by 10. So 1 decimeter means 10th part of 1 meter. 10th part of the meter, it means 0.1 meter. This is 0.01 meter, or I can say this is 1/10 of the meter. This is 1 upon 100th part of the meter, and this is 1000th part of the meter, or you can say 0.001 meter. Fine. These things will be in the order. Okay. If we are measuring the weight, then I am putting here gram. So 1 decameter means 10 grams. 1 hectometer, it means 100 grams. And 1 kilometer means 1000 grams. 1000 grams. Now 1 decigram means 100th part of the gram, 10th part of the gram, 1/10 gram. 1 centigram means 100th part of the gram, and here this is 1000th part of the gram, or I can say 0.001 gram. In this way we can convert. Clear my dear? Similarly, if we are talking about the volume, here the unit is milliliter. Suppose I am considering it as liter. ठीक है ना? Liter. So 1 deciliter. 1 deciliter is 1/10 of the liter. That is, we can say 100 ml also. Similarly, my dear, 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter means, 1 centimeter means I can say 1 centimeter is 10 times of millimeter, that is equal to 10 meter. Tell me, is it clear? So when you are going from left to right, it will keep on multiplying by 10. Clear hai beta? So I am going to write some terms here. Please let me know. You have to fill the blank space. हाँ जी बेटा, if I say there is 200 milligram, this is equal to how many kgs? 200 milligram is equal to how many kgs? Then 30 decimeter is equal to how many meters? 30 decimeter is how many meters? No, ma. 1 ml will be here, na? 1 ml is here. 1 ml, 1 milliliter, 1 milliliter. I am writing here. My liter is my unit. So if I consider here, this is, Anji beta, can I say 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter, 100 centiliter and 1000 milliliter. Okay beta, if you are considering ml, 1 ml, so 1 ml, then 1 liter will be equal to 1000 times of milliliter. Fine. So basic unit is liter. Here you can, if milliliter will go there. Okay. Now you answer this. We know that milligram is thousandth part of a gram. So this can be written as 200 upon 1000 gram. Okay, and 1 gram is thousandth part of the kilogram. 1 gram is thousandth part of the kilogram. So to convert this into kilogram, we have to again divide by 1000. So again you divide it by 1000. So this is 200 upon 1000. If you want to convert this into kilogram, again divide by 1000. Okay, my dear. So you can simply write in terms of decimal points also. So these two zeros will get cancelled. So this can be written as 2 into 10 into 1000 is 10 ka power 4. When you write it in the numerator, then this will become 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4. Clear? What about this? This is decimeter. Decimeter means 10th part of meter. So can I say decimeter to meter, when you are converting, then it will be divided by 10. Then it will be divided by 10. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So 30 decimeter will be equal to how many meters? 30 upon 10, that is 3 meters. 3 meters. Got it, my dear? Now I will discuss this concept, negative power. What is the meaning of negative power? So let us spend some time on this also. My dear, any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. If I am saying a to the power minus m, it means this is 1 upon a to the power m. So when we are taking the reciprocal of the number, power will get multiplied by negative. Fine. So power will become negative. Got it? Okay. This year, UPSC, there was a question. Let me discuss that question. You guys tell me, what is the value of 2 to the power minus 3? This one. And again, what is the value of 1 by 5 to the power minus 2? When the power is negative, so you have to take the reciprocal of this number. So can I say it will be 1 upon 2 to the power 3? That will be equal to 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So this will be 1 upon 8. And here 1 by 5 to the power minus 2. That will be, when we take the reciprocal of this, it will become 5. Power will become positive. 5 to the power 2. So that will be 25. I hope it is clear. Okay, beta? Good. It will be 25. Now this year there was a question. And question says that, which of the following is the largest number? Which of the following is largest number? 1 by 2 to the power minus 6. 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. 1 by 3 to the power minus 4. And 1 by 5 to the power minus 2. Which one of these is the largest number? This was the question asked this year. Which of the following is the largest number? You have to find the largest of these numbers. Quickly attempt this question. Which one of the following is the largest number? Let's see who will give me the correct answer first. Okay, very good. चलिए देखते हैं बेटा. You take the reciprocal of this. So what you will get here? 2 to the power 6. 1 by 4 will become 4. Power will become 3. 1 by 3 will become 3. Power is 4. 1 by 5 will become 5. Then power will become 2. So these values are 2 to the power 6. It means 2 multiplied by itself 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2, like this. So this will come out to be how much? 64. 4 to the power 3. 4 into 4 into 4. So this is also 64. 3 to the power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times 3 multiplied by itself. You will get 81. And 5 square 25. My dear, this is the largest value. So this was the answer. Okay, fine, very good. Many student, Uma, Ashraf, very good. You have given me the correct answers. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते बेटा. Speed. My dear, there are basically two methods, very frequently used methods to express the speed. Speed is basically distance covered per unit time, distance upon time. Now sometimes it is written in kilometer per hour, sometimes meter per second. So we should know what is the relationship between them. So my dear, kilometer per hour, it means our distance is in kilometers, speed is in hours. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and 1 hour, my dear, here I am writing 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So it will be 60 into 60, that is equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So you put here 3600 seconds. Now meter upon second, meter per second. You can cancel this out. So if you cancel, you will get 5 upon 18. So can I say 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 times the speed in meter per second. So if we get to know the value of meter per second, to convert this into kilometer per hour, meter per second value should be multiplied by 5 by 18. Okay. So 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18th part of the value in meter per second. If you got to know the value of, बोलो बेटा clear है? I am repeating one more time. Speed is distance covered per unit time. I am considering distance in kilometer and time in hours. Kilometer is 1000 meters and 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So if you cancel out, you will get 5 upon 18. Kilometer per hour is 5 by 18th time of meter per second value. So 1 kilometer per hour is basically 5 by 18 meter per second. Clear? So what we have to do? Okay, beta. So here, if speed is given in kilometer per hour and you want the value in meter per second, kilometer per hour to meter per second multiply by 5 by 18 and reverse of this multiply by 18 by 5. 18 by 5. Okay. So let us do some calculations. First question. हाँ जी बेटा 10 meter per second, convert this into kilometer per hour. Second question, 45 kilometer per hour, convert this into meter per second. Convert this into meter per second. Kilometer per hour to meter per second into 5 by 18, meter per second to kilometer per hour into 18 by 5. Okay, quickly do this. Tell me the answers. I am erasing this part. जल्दी से सोल्व करें बेटा. हाँ जी. First, 10 meter per second. So 10 into meter per second to kilometer into 18 by 5. 5 से cancel out करोगे बेटा. This will come out to be 36 kilometer per hour. Yes, Uma, very good. And 45 kilometer per hour to meter per second. 45 into 5 upon 18. You can cancel out by 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. So 5 into 5, 25 divided by 2. So you will get 12 and half, 12.5 meter per second. I think there is some lagging because of the network. Yeah, it has struck. Now it's fine, I think. now okay, okay. चलिए बेटा, this was speed interconversion. Now rate of interest. Rate of interest, sometimes rate of interest will be given in per annum and sometimes it is per month. So how to convert annual interest rate into per month? We know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. So when you want to convert the annual rate to monthly rate, what should I do? Annual to monthly. So monthly will be less, na? Monthly will be less. So you divide it by 12. When you want to convert from monthly to annual, you have to multiply it by 12. Suppose a person says that the bank charges suppose 6%. 6% is too less for bank. Suppose bank is offering you a loan at the rate of 12% per annum. 12% per annum. Annual. Per annum means annual. So 1 year interest is 12%. So monthly interest will be 1% here. So per annum 12%. So if you divide it by 12, you will get 1% per month. 1% per month. Monthly interest will be 1%. Okay. Now some more basic things. How to deal with the fractions? चलिए फ्रैक्शन देखते हैं बेटा. First of all, 5 3/7. What is this fraction? How can you write this fraction? How can you write this fraction? So you just multiply 7 into 5. 7 into 5. Multiply this 7 into 5. 35. Add this part. Plus 3 divided by 7. So what you will get? 38 upon 7. 38 upon 7. Got it? So my dear, basically 5 3/7 means 5 plus 3/7. Okay? 5 3/7. My dear, some of the students feel like it 10 1/2. Can I cancel out this by 2? No, my dear. 10 1/2 is basically 10 plus 1/2 and 10 into 1/2. This is different. Here you can cancel out by 2. 2 5s are. This value is 5 and this value is 10 and half. 10.5. You can write this as 2 10s are 20 plus 1, 21/2, or you may write it as 10.5. So don't simply cancel out like this. Okay. Had it been product, जब मल्टीप्लीकेशन में होगा तभी आप कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हो बेटा. ओके. 21/10 नहीं बेटा, 21/2. यस उमा. गुड. चलिए. Now let us take some questions related to addition, subtraction of the fractions. Now sorry my dear, again I have to open that slide. बेटा एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन अभी हम चेक करेंगे फ्रैक्शंस में कैसे डील करते हैं. addition and subtraction of the fractions. Give me just 1 minute. Addition and subtraction of the fractions. Suppose we have to add 5 by 12 plus 4 3 by 4. Can I simply do 5 plus 3 8 and 12 plus 4 16? One of the student asked me this thing. That's a silly doubt, but anyway, it depends upon the person to person. My dear, in this case, we can add the numerators only if their denominators are same. Their denominators have to be equal. So let us make their denominators equal. तो दोनों का LCM लो बेटा. 12 and 4. What is the LCM of these numbers? Now there may be some problem with the student how to find the LCM. उसके ऊपर अलग से class रखेंगे बेटा. चलो. So make these parts equal. How can I make these equal? This is 12. So can I make this 12? इसको भी 12 बनाओ बेटा. So their denominator should be equal. How can I make this 12? I can multiply this by 3. If I am multiplying the denominator, तो numerator को भी multiply करना पड़ेगा. Fine. Now what can I do? 5 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12. Now I can add these parts. इनको add करोगे तो बेटा 9 plus 5 14 and both have 12 in the denominator. Now you can cancel this. 2 से cancel out करोगे तो क्या बनेगा बेटा? 7 upon 6. 7 upon 6. How can you write 7 upon 6? 7 upon 6. 6 1 ja 6. 1 is remaining and 6 will come here. 6 1 ja 6. 1 is remaining. So you will be left with 6. Clear है बेटा? 7 by 6 को ऐसे लिख देंगे हम. ठीक है बच्चों? चलिए. Now suppose number is 15 by 4. Now divide this 15 by 4. 4 3s are 12. You are left with 3. So how can I write? This 3 is complete. 3 is remaining divided by 4. Divided by 4. So whenever we are dividing a number by a divisor, then this part is called the quotient. This is the remainder. So this is written as quotient into remainder upon divisor. Divisor is the number from which we are dividing. Okay. So let me take one more simple question here. हाँ जी बेटा. 38 upon 7. Write this in the mixed format, in the mixed fraction. Second, 48 upon 19. 48 upon 19. Write this. 48 upon 19. जल्दी लिखे बेटा. हाँ जी. So 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Out of 38, 35 is gone. What is the remaining value? 7 5s are 35. 3 is remaining, divided by 7. Now 19 2s are 38. Out of 48, 38 gone. Remaining is 10 upon 19. In this manner you can write this. 5 3 by 7, 2 10 by 19. Okay, Uma, Ashraf, very good my dear. बहुत ही अच्छा, ठीक है, क्लियर है? हाँ जी बेटा. Suppose I have to write 140 minutes in terms of hours. In terms of hours, in the form of mixed fraction. How you are going to write? We know that 1 minute is 60th part of hour. So minute to hour conversion. So when you are converting minute to hour, divide by 60. So what you will get? 140 upon 60. This you can cancel out. Upon cancelling by 2, what you will get? 7 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. So 2 1 by 3 hour. You can write like this. 2 1 by 3 hour. Or you can say that this is 2 hours and 20 minutes. So 2 hour complete. 20 minutes, 20 upon 60. So that is 1 upon 3. So this is 2 1 upon 3. You can do like this. ठीक है बेटा? Okay? Fine. हाँ जी बेटा. If I say 5 days is how many hours? Please tell me. 5 days is how many hours? Second question. 2.7 hours is how many minutes? 2.7 hours is how many minutes? One day is equal to 24 hours. So days to hours conversion, multiply by 24. So you will get that is equal to 120 hours. Some of the students feel like 2.7 hour means 2 hours 70 minutes or 3 hours 10 minutes. No, my dear, this is 2 hours complete and 0.7 hours multiply it by 60. You will get 42 minutes. 42 minutes. So 2 hours is 2 into 60. 120 minutes plus 42 minutes. So 120 plus 42, this is coming out to be 162 minutes. You can do like this. Otherwise, you can simply say 2.7 into 60. So this will be 0, 2, 6, 1. After decimal, there was one digit, so we will put a decimal here. After decimal, if there is any 0, so then its value is not that much relevant. Okay, my dear. So answer is 162 minutes. Clear, my dear? Fine. So I think I could help you a bit. थोड़ा सा जितना भी whatever I could do, कोशिश किया है मैंने आप लोगों की के लिए कैलकुलेशंस थोड़ा सा सिंपल बनाने के लिए. But my dear, from morning till evening I am busy with the classes. तो फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स में भी कि हमारा संकल्प आईएएस का बैच थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो रहा है इवनिंग टाइम में. सो ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम आई विल बी गेटिंग सम टाइम, सो आई विल come live more frequently. So that's it for today. Now we are having another class scheduled, so I have to take that class also. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you like the class. Those students who have already joined that study material wala hamara jo batch hai, I will upload this video there, and there will be a small 12 to 15 question test based upon this. You guys can attempt that. So after the class I will upload that. Okay my dear, thank you very much. Bye, have a great day. जय हिंद. अशरफ, उमा, टेक केयर.